Hello everyone, welcome to Grow from Cuttings. If you've tried propagating rose cuttings many times but still ended up with failures, stem rot, or cuttings that never root, today's video might completely change the way you do it. Stay until the end because the result is truly worth waiting for. First, trim off some of the leaves and cut the stem to an ideal length of about 15 to 20 centimeters, so it can retain moisture better, reduce water loss, and improve the chances of developing strong roots. Gently rub a thin layer of garlic onto the cut surface of the cutting to help clean the area, reduce fungal and bacterial issues, and support the cutting during its early stage. By the way, which country are you watching this video from? I'm so happy to welcome you to Grow from Cuttings. Leave a comment below and let me know. It's truly wonderful that we can connect and share from all around the world. Today, I'm using one onion because it helps clean the cut surface, reduce fungal and bacterial issues, and support better root development. Next, I add 2 tablespoons of rice to the cup with the onion because rice contains starch and natural nutrients that may help support the cutting, improve moisture retention, and create better conditions for new roots to begin forming. Next, finely chop the garlic and place it into a separate cup to prepare for the next step in the propagation process. Next, I use the potato peel because it still contains moisture and natural nutrients that can help the cutting lose less water and create better conditions for new roots to begin forming. Pour 200 milliliters of water into the cup so the ingredients can begin to dissolve and release their natural nutrients. While waiting for the solution to fully dissolve, prepare the rooting medium for the cuttings. Here, I'm using paper and a clean cup to create a stable moisture-retaining environment for the cutting eye. In its early stage. Once the solutions have fully dissolved in the water, use a small strainer to filter out the liquid and remove the solids. Gently pour the solution into the paper cup so the paper can absorb the moisture evenly. Insert the cutting into the paper cup, making sure the base is in good contact with the moist paper to maintain steady moisture and support root formation. Gently cover the cutting with a plastic bag to maintain stable humidity, reduce moisture loss, and create better conditions for new roots to begin forming. After about 10 days, check the cutting to see whether the first signs of new roots and shoots have started to appear. Once the cutting has started to develop roots, transplant it into cocoa coir so it has an airy, moisture-retentive medium to continue growing strongly. Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. Wishing you successful propagation and many healthy, beautiful plants in your garden.